Welcome to Rome. Good morning. This morning we are headed to the Colosseum to do a guided tour, our first guided tour since living here. I'm not a huge fan of them. I don't want to follow a person with a flag on a stick or have little color coded tags everywhere on ourselves. But I figure that would be good for today and for the Colosseum. We're looking at the trashy bridge here. There were a whole bunch of kids out here last night and they destroyed it. It's so gross. We've spotted our guide.
No drone zone.
And
oops.
And he has a flag. Yep, we're gonna be those people today. Yay. One more thing before we get started on this tour. So last night there were a ton of people out here. We were walking back from dinner. So now they have all these people out sweeping up everything into the street, like all the broken glass, the trash, the plastic bottles. It's disgusting out here. This place is dirty. And let's also discuss the workers' brooms. It's like 1,800 brooms. I don't know, it's really bad. It's worse. I don't know if we're just in a really gross area.
Maybe we are.
I don't know if you can hear all those bottles rolling around that they're sweeping off. It's sad how gross it is. This is us this morning with our cool headphones. Yeah, it's super cool. I can't believe we're doing this tour.
Super American. Yeah, so we're gonna get some good history on the Colosseum and the Forum and the Palatine Hill, I believe that's what it's called. All right, here we are with our green stickers for the underground tour.
Which I forgot to say is part of the reason why we wanted to do this tour.
Yeah.
Because we get to go underground, and without this tour, I didn't think that there was a pass that we could get.
No, I don't think so.
That would allow us to go underground without the tour.
So welcome to the underground area. So we are underneath the arena floor, underneath the sand and the wooden floorboards. So this area was added to the Colosseum around the year 84 AD. So it was an addition added by Emperor Domitian. So what was down here? This was where the gladiators and the animals, but this was an underground passageway connecting this underground area here to the Ludus Magnus. So do you see behind it that like wooden cage, the wooden bars of the cage in which they would have an animal.
I guess the Colosseum is still a consummated place. I guess the Pope comes here every year.
On Good Friday. We are heading outside of the Colosseum to go see Palatine Hill and the Roman Forum.
So now we're going to go through Palatine Hill, and that's where the emperor lived, and then also the Forum. Fun fact, this is a statue that was here, and this is just the pinky toe of the statue, and you can tell how big the statue really was. Would have been super tall. Fun fact, these are, what are they?
Umbrella
What?
pine trees.
What?
Umbrella pine trees.
These are umbrella pine trees. This is just from the 16th century. Some wealthy guy bought the gardens and turned them into his own personal gardens. So this used to be a pagan church, and this is where they sacrificed like the goats and animals and stuff in front of the church. So apparently this is where Julius Caesar's ashes are, because he was cremated right back here on the marble. So let's check it out.
È presente quelli che hanno visto? Penso se prendiamo tutti i soldi.
Didn't expect to see that.
That's crazy.
Yeah. So that concludes our Palatine Hill, Colosseum, and
Roman Forum.
Roman Forum tour. Very informative.
Highly recommend the tour, even though you look stupid. It
Yeah.
was really educational.
Yeah, I would definitely do a tour because you get to learn a whole lot more instead of just going on yourself. And you get to go underground. You can go to the Vespa Museum if you want.
Oh, that's what that is.
Oh, yeah. Hey!
Alright, hang on.
You're not even the driver. Mom gonna be the driver?
I'll be the driver. I don't know how to drive.
One fun fact is that our Airbnb has a elevator. Cool. Alright, well, we're gonna close out Rome now. Everybody told us that Paris was gonna be dirty, but really Paris was great and Rome has been super dirty.
Do a guided tour. You look stupid, but it's worth it.
How about you do?
Me?
Yeah.
Not me.
You just say, welcome to Rome.
Welcome to Rome.
Oh, but better. Alright. So.
Good story, babe. Good story. How do I get this front screen on?
Oh, I don't have it on. On the
I can hear them
Colosseum
too.
and the...
Yeah, she has a microphone on. I was doing this. This is
Oh, I know you were. Yeah, you were.
Yeah, you don't have any. I was cutting off your head
Yeah.
completely.
Casey's gonna do it all with her mask on. No, is that not?
Shut up.